Hello everyone, it's me Elise. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can see your password on Apple ID in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you want to do is you want to go to your settings, then you want to click on your Apple ID, then you want to click on iCloud, and here you want to click on passwords and keychain, and you need to keep this sync with this iPhone to on always, since if you keep this to off it will not work. So what I want you to do is go back to your main page, and then what you want to do is go down to password, and as you can see here the different passcodes, and if I search for Apple, if I do have my Apple ID saved with a password saver, then it will come up here on your passwords page. So if you have saved your Apple ID password, then your password will come up here. So this is a quick and easy tutorial on how you can see any of the apps password in your iPhone that is saved. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any more suggestions, leave it on the drop box below and I'll sure to see it. And thank you guys for watching. It's Millie signing out. I'll see you in the next